beauties, welcome to my channel. This side Veronica and you're watching Beauty's Crown. So in today's video I'm going to tell you about how to get rid of darker underarms at home. So without delaying, let's get started. Is ready to apply. Beauties, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, half lemon or few drops of lemon I must say, then just make a paste out of it and this is ready to apply. Right now I am not applying it on myself because to be honest with you guys I haven't waxed yet, and so I'm going to show it on my hand. So friends, you have to take little amount of it. As you can see, this is a little runny paste. Then just apply it like this and then let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes. Guys, this baking soda and lemon combo is the best for removing all the dark patches and darkness, because baking soda scrub out all the darkness from your body, and lemon, as we all know, is a natural lightening agent. So just go for this. This combo is gonna remove all the darkness and everything, dirt also from your underarms, inner thighs also. So this is like a best thing. Just go and try this baking soda and lemon on your underarms, and don't forget to comment in the comment section. And let me tell you, first thing is that don't store it, just apply it, just make it fresh and then apply it. The second thing is that beauties, you have to do this thrice a week, and in after just 3 uses, trust me, you will start seeing the difference. Just do this thrice a week, baking soda and lemon, and you are good to go. Just go and try this. And so beauties, just go and try this, and trust me, after 3 uses you will start seeing the difference. Do this thrice a week, and just don't forget to comment it in the comment section. If you have any requested video, just comment it in the comment section. I love you so much beauties. See you in my next video. Bye and take care.